Welcome to the baking challenge. You might need an adult to help you with this. First, you will need 100 grams of light brown sugar, 125 grams of caster sugar, 125 grams of butter. Once you have measured these carefully, put them straight into the bowl and mix. Cream the butter and sugar together. Next, add 1 egg and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then mix together using a mixer. After that, you will need 225 grams of self-raising flour. Sift the flour into the mixture. Measure half a teaspoon of salt and add to the mix. Now you will need 200 grams of chocolate chips. I have got 100 grams of white chocolate and 100 grams of milk chocolate. Pour the chocolate carefully into the mix. When you have thoroughly mixed the chocolate into the mix, take a small handful and roll it into a ball about the size of a walnut and place onto a greased pan or onto grease-proof baking sheets. Place the tray into the oven at 180 degrees and set the timer for 10 minutes. Check that the cookies are baking well and are not burning. When they are ready, take them out and leave them to cool. When they have cooled, translate them to a plate and enjoy.